This is how to add a YouTube link to NotebookLM. From your dashboard, create a new notebook or choose an existing notebook you have. We will create new. And here you can see websites with a YouTube icon. So just click this one. Then paste your YouTube link. So to get the YouTube link, search a video. For instance, this one. Just right click and copy link. Then go back to NotebookLM. Paste the YouTube link and just click insert. You can add more YouTube links. So let's click insert. And now NotebookLM just summarized the YouTube link. So this is how to add a YouTube link to NotebookLM.